Okay, so let's have a look at editing the velocity. So let's select the kick so we can see the different velocities on the kick. So you can see they're not all even. So what I can do is move them all up to maximum. Actually, sorry. So when you've got the pencil tool selected here, it's just going to adjust one of them. If I move the mouse higher up in this velocity area here, you can see it says move vertically. Now it'll now move all of the velocities all the way up together. So now they're all at maximum. What I can do, if I hold shift, when it moves them down, it moves them down from the same position they were. So it keeps them all at maximum, but moves them all down together. You can have it so that it will scale as well. So let me just do that. So I've undone it. So now I can move them up to maximum, and then when I bring it down, it keeps the relative positions. But what I want to do is to have them fixed. So I've moved them all up to the top, and I'm going to hold shift and then move them all down, and then it will keep them all even. But I think maximum might be fine anyway, so I'll do the same thing for the snare. So I could also quite easily just adjust the velocity of one note. So if I hover over a note, I can hold Command and Shift and the speaker icon appears. And what I can do is just bring down the velocity of this note and say this one as well. Cool, so I like that. So let's move on now.